Hey there, this is DJ Britt, and I wanted to bring up a idea for you guys of how to possibly use ChatGPT to help you either learn JavaScript or get better at JavaScript. This is a fun little raindrop app that I made with ChatGPT, and here's a fun little, explosion that I kind of made with whenever you click in the canvas, it creates an explosion. These are just two examples. I've made tons of apps with ChatGPT within JavaScript, and I wanted to share some things that I found that might help someone learn JavaScript or get better at it. So here's some cool things about ChatGPT that you may not know about. So ChatGPT can actually help you learn JavaScript by giving you a quiz. And then you can put an answer down here and ask if that's the right answer. And it will not only tell you if it's the right answer, it'll tell you why the other two answers are incorrect. Another cool thing about ChatGPT is you can actually ask it for an interactive exercise. And it gives you a problem and instructions on how to solve it and a hint. And this is a more complex example, but if you're familiar with JavaScript, this would be a great way to just test your JavaScript skills. And of course, you can always ask it for the answer if you really cannot figure it out. And that's what's cool about this. I mean, when I've been using it, I find problems with the code and I ask it why that problem happened, and it tells me why. I ask it, how do I change this part of my code? It tells me why. I ask it, how do I make it do this now? It updates the code and tells me what it did to update it. I mean, it really is a powerful instructor. The fact that ChatGPT has such a broad knowledge of JavaScript, I even see it doing things in JavaScript that I haven't seen anywhere else, at least in my experience, and that stuff that I haven't done before, like how to set custom changing RGB colors within a div element or something like that. Like, it shows me syntax of correct usable JavaScript in ways that I don't use JavaScript, which is really cool to me and helps me actually learn more about JavaScript. So that's the value of this tool in my mind. Is it's like a it's a super knowing like teacher that you can just bounce ideas off, talk through things, get code examples, update code examples, etc., etc. But if you guys have any comments or ideas about this idea, please let me know, and a sub to the channel would be great. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.